One of the favorite questions I get asked, when do you know when to sell? That's a great question. And I wish there was an equation that said, oh, time to sell. It's a personal decision. Let's face it, we're entrepreneurs. We built these things. They're our babies. We've nourished them. And now it's time to consider selling it. In my business, I always thought it was a sales and marketing company, and it went up for sale the day I opened up. The idea was it was an investment. I was going to build it and build it to the heights where I could sell it. Personally, it was my decision and my wife's decision to say it was time for us to step away and let's see what we do now. It's a personal decision. I can't tell you the best time to sell your business. Obviously, it's an investment. So you always sell in an investment, sell high, buy low. So you want to get the most equity. After all, that's what we're putting into our businesses. You want to get the most equity out of your business at the right time. Will the timing be absolutely at the very top? It may not be, but don't catch yourself on the way down. If it's time to sell now, sell. If it's not time, whether it's your personal, where you are in life, maybe it's not time. Maybe it's time to keep thinking of how I'm going to make it better or what am I going to do to expand. But it's a personal decision. I can't ever tell you when to sell. I can give you my opinion of when it was time for me to sell, and it's a personal decision.